Outside of Adam Cartwright, the 96, Garrick Fry. Inside row 5, Chad Smith. Outside of him, Rich Schinderling. Inside row 7, Derek Dobbs. Outside of Derek Dobbs, that's Featherston. Inside of him, Cody Houseworth, then Lundy, then Robinson, then Fearing. Here they come, green flag, and we're racing. Holy cow, into one.
And it's Cody Houseworth in that 21 car out in front of it.
Guiley takes him around in the lead. Here comes Robinson to challenge Jake Guiley. Looking on the inside as everybody's side-by-side racing. Ware moving up into that third spot, try to lock it up. Instead of sights on Robinson, he's on the inside of Robinson. Robinson looking on the inside of Jake Guiley. As the battle ensues in the back between one of the drivers who just raced and another Robinson. It is the 99 making his move on Jake Guiley. It's it's Johnny Robinson looking for Guiley to take the lead. Here comes Ware. As Johnny Robinson's trying to make his move. Whoa, hang on to a Cartwright. Cartwright goes around. Whoa, we got more action. Look out. Holy cow, it's Featherston, it's Robinson, it's Memoli, and it's Cartwright all involved in that one. As the yellow flag comes out, we're going to have to go back to our raw steel collision center restart zone.
Second time here tonight, we'll see the caution flag come out. Trouble on that back stretch, that turn 2, going into that back stretch is where it all happened, taking out those 4 cars.
As the pace car ducks on out, Jake Guiley is going to lead them around. As we get ready to go feature racing, here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. It's Robinson looking on Guiley's inside. Here comes Ware to close the gap to make Robinson work hard.
And don't forget about Ryan Schinderling and the spots behind him with Chad Smith there as well.
Howie Ware trying to hang on to second now to close the gap there to lock it in. As the 99 of Johnny Robinson trying to hang on to that inside. We've got a great battle for second. As Jake Guiley is leading them around. Here comes Chad Smith to work on the last heat's winner, Rich Schinderling.
Howie Ware really working Tom Guiley in that 36.
As Howie Ware almost had clearance. I thought he was going to make his move. Oh, the 29, Terrence Robinson might be off the pace just a little bit there as he dropped back. It's Ware hanging on to second. Will Ware make the Evel Knievel move? No, he won't, because Johnny Robinson's holding on. He says no. Where?
Terrence Robinson in that 29 having problems with the front side of it, the front driver's side. Looks like the fender is what might be slowing him down in that 29.
And Ware's got it clear. Ware's looking to the inside of Guiley. And Featherston gets back on the track as we may have a battle for the lead. Ware looking to the inside of Guiley again. Johnny Robinson might be following Ware around. Oh, Derek Dobbs goes around. Cartwright involved with it too.
Featherston just got on the track while the leaders come roaring up on him, which is probably a good thing we went to caution because that would have been crazy in turns 3 and 4. They would have had to go 3 wide with that 78 car rolling in.
Woo! As the pace car ducks down, we are going to go green flag racing here. In Sportsman feature number 1, they come! Green flag, and we're racing! Into turn 1, Ware looking in Guiley's inside. The challenge for the lead. Here comes Garrick Fry to hold into second. He's letting no Guiley. He's right behind Guiley. Here comes Ware. It's Ware on the inside for the lead. Chad Smith in the throwback Days of Thunder challenging for third. We've got a battle for the lead. It's Ware. It's Guiley. It's Guiley by a bumper. Whoa, Ware, hang on to it. Whoa, Ware takes the lead. Smith trying to hang on to third, challenging for second. Here comes Smith to claim second, maybe. To the inside, the battle for third and the battle for fourth.
Guiley's in the midst of point leaders and hungry drivers in that 21 car.
What will he do as Smith and Guiley side by side, door handle to door handle, Robinson and Fry side by side, door handle to door handle as well. We are halfway through, actually 10 to go. Chad Smith and Jake Guiley make contact. Hang on to it, Johnny Robinson. Garrick Fry's got some damage as we continue racing. Oh my gosh.
He's trying to get rid of that front fender on the driver's side.
I don't think it'll help with aerodynamics, Eric.
I agree. As Howie Ware in that 36 is running, but can the 82 of Chad Smith catch him? Top qualifier for a reason. Johnny Robinson right there in third. Fry holding on to that 4 spot. Here comes Guiley. He wants something back. He felt that lead and wants to work his way back. Mamoli and Schinderling are in the midst of behind him. But amongst it all, it's Howie Ware in the 36. Chad Smith in that 82 car. Holding off the 99 of Johnny Robinson the second. And then your points leader in 96 car, Garrett Fry in that 4 spot. Guiley still in that top 5. He was the leader early on, trying to hold off. Howie Ware continues to roll south Beloit. Gilly's heating and air conditioning. The battle's in third between Robinson and Fry. Those two are 1 and 2 in the points. Only 7 points separates those two apart. Ware continuing to run. Robinson and Fry in that battle for the 3rd spot. Someone will get 4. Garrett Fry looks like the front of that car is just being held together. Looking at his laps and looking at that time going, I just need to tape something up. Ware continuing. Smith, Robinson, Fry, and Guiley are your top 5. Schinderling and Mamoli trying to catch them. When they come around, it'll be 1 to go. Ware making it look easy since he got out front. Smith trying to close the door, but he's going to run out of time. Robinson in the 99 and Fry in the 96 have a good battle going on in the turns 3 and 4 as they bump a little. Can Robinson hang on? Who got it? Oh, they're going to give it to Fry over Robinson, and Guiley will get the 5th spot. Oh, what a finish here.
I don't even know who got 3rd place. Holy cow.
Garrett Fry will get 3rd, Johnny Robinson 4th, Jake Guiley will get the 5th spot. Chad Smith will take on that 2nd spot, and Howie Ware in that 36 car once he get out front is your winner.
Wow. What a race. Oh my gosh, with the drama that happened in front of him and behind him. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the winner of tonight's Bargain Hunter Feature 1, the 36. As he's really hot, Crazy Times Pub and Grill, Jerry's CB Shop, CNS Auto Service. It is the 36 of Howie Ware. Wow. Howie, I got to have a word with you. First of all, set that down. Congratulations. Howie, we can't talk about it. Howie, tell everybody what happened tonight. That was an amazing run here when you were in 3rd. When they brought out the raw steel restart cone, here we go with the chess games. You chose inside. Was that the move that you needed to do to claim this win?
Yeah, a few weeks ago, Chad Smith he faked me out. I was too close to him coming up to the cone, so I learned my lesson. I said if Johnny goes high, I'm going low. If Johnny goes low, I'm going high. So Johnny decided to go high, so I guess I had low, and it worked out.
Howie, you got to do this one more time. Do you think you're going to have to make any major adjustments, or are you happy with the way the car was?
No, I'm happy where the car was.
Outstanding. Howie, I want you to roll the dice as we find out what the invert will be for the next feature. So this will depend on starting position as Howie Ware rolls. Number
4.
Number 4 is on the invert. Once again, everybody, give it up for Howie Ware.